We're going to start this warm-up with a rotator cuff warm-up. Really want to make sure that's functioning properly and firing before you move into anything else. Going to get it started with an overhead circle, very light resistance band. We don't want a ton of pressure on here because the rotator cuff is a small group of muscles. It's really just a stabilizer. You can see as I move down here, we're going into external rotation. That's going to drive the scapula into proper positioning and make sure that it's held in place while you're getting the motion from the glenohumeral joint in the shoulder. Like I said, the rotator cuff is really in charge of just keeping that joint pulled together so you're not getting a lot of rattling around. Now we're going to go into this lower position. Palms are going to face backwards to take the pressure off of the bicep and keep it within that shoulder. This is going to be the last exercise for the rotator cuff. I might do this 2 or 3 times before I move into my lat exercises. So the first activation we're going to do is going to be a single arm cable pull down here. I believe I got this exercise originally from Jeff Nippard. He puts it in his warm-up. I thought it worked great, so I've been doing it since. This is a slight variation I made on it. That internal rotation, driving in with the lat, you're going to get a little extra contraction as the lat actually does extension, adduction, and internal rotation of the arm. So you're going to get all of those as you go through this pull. You can get a little bit better angle from the back as you can see how much internal rotation I go into on this 5th rep. Really driving in, you're going to be able to feel that pull coming from the lat along the bottom edge of it where you might not normally feel your lat contraction, which is a big thing because you want to be able to feel that contraction as you go through your back workout. This last exercise we do is going to be from John Meadows. It's just an activation going into extension, external rotation, and trying to drive the elbow as far across the back as we can. You're going to get a deep contraction in the lat and really be able to focus in on it.